Dangote Petroleum Refinery has received 4 cargoes of crude oil from Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited under the Naira for crude sale agreement. Officials of the refinery and the federal government confirmed on Tuesday. It was gathered that the 4 cargoes of crude were delivered to the refinery within the past 3 weeks, when the government kickstarted the sale of crude to local refineries in the local currency. According to Punch correspondent, informed sources about the local crude sale deal said that the refinery was still waiting to receive more crude oil cargoes from NNPCL, the organization managing the country's hydrocarbon resources. They also confirmed that the $20 billion Lekki-based plant was now set to begin the direct sale of refined premium motor spirit, popularly called petrol, to domestic dealers. A senior official of the refinery also confirmed the development, saying the first phase of the Naira crude sale agreement would last for 6 months unless it is renewed by the federal government. Concerns regarding the recent controversies during a Federal Executive Council meeting, FEC, on July 29th, proposed the sale of crude to local refineries in Naira. The Federal Executive Council adopted the proposal by Tinubu and approved that 450,000 barrels meant for domestic consumption be offered in Naira in Nigerian refineries, using the Dangote refinery as a pilot. Stay informed for real-time updates, breaking news, and exclusive content from NaijaNews TV.